If at first you don't succeed, fail 5 more times.
Oh, Mr. Johnson.
They say that the old caretaker of this place went absolutely crazy.
Oh, it's you. Did you ever stop to think that eventually there's a point where your name gets mentioned for the very last time? Well, here it is. I'm going to kill you, Chad.